Hi guys, today we are discussing about Automation Anywhere A 2019. How to install. I think you guys are aware of the Automation Anywhere come up with latest version A 2019. So today we are discussing how to install, download and install Automation Anywhere 2019 in our training. So let me go through the steps. First, we have to launch the Automation Anywhere site and to get the so, community edition download. So let me go through the step by step. First step. So we have to navigate to the URL which is mentioned in the below. You can see in the comment section. Uh, So you can see here the URL will be redirected to here. So it will be we have to fill the details. The next step will be you can see here the fill the details and to get the free community editions. We have to provide the details here. So you have to provide the all the email IDs details. So you have to click on the get free community edition. So you can see here free community edition which contains the platform. So request is submitted and the credentials will be emailed to. So you can just open and see whether got credentials. Sometimes it may delay for you're receiving the email. So you can see just now I received the email. So we'll have the control room URL and username password. You will receive that. So let me reroute to the control room URL. You have to provide the username password. So I have to provide the username password for login. You can change the password. So it will ask for the we have to provide the new password. Yes. So now we'll install the Automation Anywhere 2019 control room. You can see here, and after that we have to install the bot agent. So let me connect device. You can see here. So we have to install the bot agent to run the any. You can see here it is downloaded that. So if you run the want to run the any bot in Automation Anywhere 8 2019, we have to install the bot agent. Okay, the steps you can see here. Once you log into the control room, so mentioned in the mail. So in the devices tab, you have to add the devices to download the bot agent. Once the bot agent is downloaded, we have to install that. After that, your Automation Anywhere is completed, so you can run the bot. So you can see here, bot agent is installing now. Just we have to click on next, and once it is completed, so we have to enable the Chrome extension. This will take some time, so you guys can think like maybe it is not installing. Don't think that way. So it will take some time to install that. So you can see here, the right side top corner, it will ask for the enabling of Automation Anywhere extension. So you have to click on enable extension. So it's completed. You can see here now the green tick mark came, it is installed, and the extension also enabled, so it will connect to the computer. So now you can see here, and you can mention the any name of the system. You can say mention that something like bot one, just giving the, so your device is added now. You can see my devices, your system is connected. Okay. So this is the way you can see here, and you can see compared to a 2019 and version 11, version 11 is the desktop version. So where you can see all the commands and control room will be in the web browser. So here you can see the all the commands also in the same way in the control room itself. I'm just going to create one dummy sign task. So you can see here. So all the commands you can see in the browser itself. So we'll discuss these commands in the next session. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel